In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel room on the Easyjet self-serve disruption tool. To get started, head over to the Easyjet Holidays website. This is where you'll begin the booking process and search for available accommodation options. Once the page loads, you'll see the main search area where you can enter your travel details. First, select your departure location in the From field. This tells the system where you'll be traveling from and helps narrow down the available hotel and travel options. After that, choose your destination in the To field. Make sure you pick the correct location so the results match the area where you need accommodation. Next, select your travel dates in the When section. Be careful to choose the right check-in and check-out dates, especially if you're arranging a stay due to disrupted travel plans. Once the dates are set, move on to the Who section and enter the number of travelers. This is important because room availability and pricing can change depending on how many people are included in the booking. When all of those details are filled in, click Search. The site will then load a list of available options based on the information you entered. If the results page feels a little crowded, you can use the filter tools to narrow things down. This can help you sort through properties based on what matters most for your stay. From there, browse through the available options and choose the one that best suits your preference. Take a moment to review the listings carefully so you can compare what's available. Once you've found a suitable option, click View Holiday to open the full details page. On the property page, review the booking details and then click Continue. This will take you into the next part of the process where you can customize your holiday. Here, you may be able to review or adjust the package details shown on screen. Once you're happy with the selection, scroll down and click Continue again. You'll then arrive at the Guest Details section. Enter the required information for each traveler carefully and make sure everything is accurate before moving on. It's always a good idea to double-check spelling and travel details here because mistakes can delay your booking or create issues later. Finally, proceed to the payment stage. At this point, review the summary of your booking one last time, then complete the payment to confirm the reservation. And that's it. Once payment is successful, your hotel booking will be completed through the Easyjet self-serve disruption tool.